Scientists think they've found a way to make anti-gravity. Real, actual, repulsive gravity. And the secret is hiding inside a loophole in quantum physics. Here's the problem. In Einstein's theory of gravity, gravity is always attractive, never pushes, only pulls. That's because in gravity, energy plays the role electric charge does in magnetism, but the math works out so that everything only ever attracts everything else. There's no negative mass to push back. So for 100 years, anti-gravity was considered impossible. But a new paper found a crack. And they found it while chasing one of the biggest mysteries in all of science. Is gravity itself quantum? We have two rulebooks for the universe. Quantum mechanics runs the tiny world of particles. General relativity runs gravity and space itself. Both work perfectly. The problem is, they completely contradict each other. It's like one manual says build it with screws, and the other says there are no screws. So how do you test if gravity is quantum? Here's their wild idea. You take one object and place it in two locations at the same time, a quantum superposition. Then you set a tiny probe particle nearby. Normally, the probe gets pulled toward the mass. But when the mass is in two places at once, something strange happens. The two pulls interfere with each other, like two waves canceling out. And in a single run of the experiment, that interference can flip the pull into a push. The probe gets shoved away. Anti-gravity. It isn't a new force. It only happens because quantum particles are also waves, and waves can add up in weird ways that push instead of pull. And here's why it matters. If gravity weren't quantum, this effect couldn't exist at all. See the repulsion, and you'd have proof that gravity plays by quantum rules. So before you go buying ceiling furniture, there's a catch. The mass you'd need is about 2 million times heavier than anything our technology can put into superposition today. So no, you can't float to work just yet. But for the first time, anti-gravity isn't science fiction. It's a real experiment, just waiting for the technology to catch up.